puff paper is kind of a must. So guess which letter I chose?
A for Allison.
No, K for Kris.
Oh, there we go.
I just created a K by deciding how big I wanted my quilt block to be, and then how many squares I wanted to represent. So what I did, Kris, on your K is I decided to do the 1 inches because I wanted it really scrappy.
Okay,
So I took your K here, and I just figured all of these, and I just started at my top. I did 1 row at a time so that I wasn't confused, and then I crossed it off. So let's look at this here. So here's my first one.
This could be kind of fun.
And here's your first block.
Yes.
Right there. Here's my second one, 1 inch square. Here's my second block. So I just stripped this right together, Kris. And if I added your next bottom to your K, there.
Look at that.
1, 2, 1, 2.